Hi,
So
it's me again.
what we're gonna do now
Car's broken
is we are gonna be picking a winner.
again. My exhaust tips fell out. Luckily, I was able to find it. So that's the tip that sits there. Super sprints. The V-band clamp was broken or is broken. So as usual, nothing available locally. So good old eBay provided. So the clamp comes with a flange, 2 flanges, but I don't need the flange as the tip has the lip or flange on there. So we're gonna take this off, wait for the exhaust to cool, put it on and clamp it on with this. It doesn't look very original. I prefer this type, but we have to make do with what we have. So it's cool to the touch. Give it a couple of minutes, maybe 2 more minutes just to be sure. So that lip is going to go here like that, and that clamp will join the tips together. So I'm so happy I didn't have to replace that lip, because had I lost it, it would have meant replacing this all the way from here all the way out, because this is probably the best mod on the car. It's a super sprint exhaust for 335. So I think I might replace this one also immediately, just to ensure that it doesn't break off over time, and then yeah, we should be good. Yeah, so 2 minutes later, exhaust is on. This one looks a little higher than this one. Yeah, we'll investigate it another time. I don't know why, but yeah, so I can't decide whether I like that look or that look. So please comment in the below. Please comment below which one you think we should do. Should we do it like that or like that? And then we can figure out a way to adjust either one depending on which one gets the highest vote, and make it look symmetrical, because ADD. All right, so time for a wash. Yep, car's dirty. Off to Sean's.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a site here that helps us to be able to pick a winner. We've already got the link for the video, which we're pasting now, and we're going to let it do the draw. So let's see. And our first winner is, we've got 11 comments on the video, so winner number 1 is Mr. Valentino Caputo. Is a winner of the Bon Appetit album. Brilliant. All right, so congratulations, Valentino Caputo. You are the first winner of Chef 187 Bon Appetit album. That's good news to you. So we're going to be giving you the CD soon. But now what you have to do is go onto our Instagram page, okay, that's DownShiftZM, and drop Send us an inbox of all your details in the message box, and then we're gonna get in touch with you so we can give you the CD. So remember, there's 2 CDs left now. All right, so for the other subscribers, now what you're gonna do, instructions are very simple if you want to win. As I've said, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, and then we're gonna pick a winner from there. You have to subscribe to the channel, you have to drop a comment, please share, so that you can be the winner of the 2 remaining albums. Let's do this. Just waiting for someone like you, someone that I can